Hey, how's everybody doing? My name is Azaria. Welcome to Elohim House of Truth. Thank you. Thank you for chiming in. Our general messages may not resonate with everybody, but if you like a personal reading, email me at azariadivine@gmail.com and I will be happy to assist you with the free reading. I am going to do a fire energy check-in real quick. Hope everybody's doing okay. Handling the business, taking care of business, staying safe. Oh, I do have a little announcement. If anybody worried about the little jewelry that I wear, my children, my daughter, does little stuff like to give me little things. And I wear it proudly. Wear it proudly. Food for thought. Calling in the energy of fire. Calling in the energy of fire. Yay. It's a lot. Calling in the energy of fire. Calling in the energy of fire. Calling in the energy of fire. Answering your call and trusting the path that you're on. Look like maybe fire might have a problem or issue with that because you are the pillar of light. Your vibration is rising and you have these oracle gifts. There's something that fire is being called to do, okay? But not trusting their path or the path that they've chosen. Just know that if you call it in, your soul family or whatever the case may be, you're needing the help and the assistance. Just know that if you were supported properly, you will get to what it is that you are trying to achieve, okay? Needing to trust your path. You are the pillar of light. Your vibrations are rising, and you have these oracle-like abilities. So I think that's beautiful. I believe that you're wanting to have this fresh new beginning, okay? Fire goes through this kind of often, getting in contact with higher self. Just the journey itself look like is an emotional, it's very emotional for fire. I also see like, once again, maybe astroplaning, astral projection. I see a lot of contemplation, thinking. Some of fire might even be working on their chakras, alignment, balance. I hear portals too. When I look at this picture and I see through this wall here, the scenery is a lot different than what is in the main view. I see portals going to different, traveling to different worlds, atmospheres maybe. Having the wisdom and clarity on how to strengthen your gifts, but needing to trust the path that you're on. All right, I'm trying to make this short. Calling in the energy of fire. Calling Calling in the energy of fire. 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 Clarify, answer the call for fire. Answering the call for fire. Clarify, answering the call for fire. Clarify, answering the call for fire. Clarify, answering the call for fire. Clarified by the Knight of King of Water in reverse. Needing to open your heart and your mind to ones around you. You're being given trustworthy and heartfelt advice. Okay, your calling fire might be doing charity work, starting foundations and things of this nature. Just giving back, volunteering at food pantries or the hospital, whatever the case may be. Just making sure that you are giving back in some type of way, but needing to open up your heart and mind to those who are pretty much around you. The vibe that I get is that fire is not trusting. Don't trust in individuals, okay? I believe that fire has spent a lot of time and energy in being compassion or having compassion for people and their situations, and it almost looks like a form of burnout. Tired of showing others respect, that maybe not reciprocating when it comes to respect, okay? I heard not acting in the best manner. All right. I hear frustration as well. Okay. Having this wisdom on how to change this situation when it comes to trust and opening up your heart. Maybe there is someone you are losing respect for. Fire might even be dealing with someone who is pregnant or has gotten someone pregnant. I see a lot of emotions here, or like getting over emotions. Clarify, trust your path. This is trust your path, okay? If you knew what it was that you wanted to do, or you had the support that you wanted, would you receive the help? What I see here is that needing to trust the path that you are on, planting these seeds, planting these firm foundations, okay? It might be a temporary, coming out of this temporary pause in action, trying to get over unnecessary worries when it comes to your path and your soul mission in life. Okay, clarify the pillar of light. Your vibrations are rising. You're doing a lot of meditation, going within, connecting with source, connecting with source within. Clarify the pillar of light. Clarify the pillar of light. Clarify the clear light of fire. So, clarified by the ten of air. Uh, what it looks like that you're overcoming obstacles, maybe picking your battles wisely. You're coming to an end of a difficult situation, okay? Rising your vibrations, getting over situations that might not suit your highest purpose or your highest good. And you're open to embracing the change and accept things to get better. Expect things to get better because of this. All right, maybe needing to do things in moderation, getting over some type of addiction. This could be drugs, it could be this could be individuals, a job, whatever the case may be, okay? But not awakened to this a certain aspect of your journey, needing to look at things from a different perspective, okay? Once again, coming out of this temporary standstill, needing to be yourself. It's important for you to be yourself, fire. All right. But what it looks like too is that I also see maybe it might be a couple, okay, going through a situation, might be even mending things. I see it might be people in the background, might be the individuals who, um, what I'm hearing, always voicing their opinions in regards of a certain situation. It could be even a relationship, but I see like two people here walking away from maybe drama and chaos, um, maybe working on their own, um, needing to look at things in a different perspective, especially maybe when it comes to relationships, friendships. Take it as it resonates, okay? Calling in the energy of fire. Calling in the energy of fire. Clarify the king of water. Calling in the energy of fire. Calling in the energy of fire. Calling in the energy of fire. Clarify the king of water. Clarify the king of water. What it looks like that either fire has got a plan of wanting to maybe travel, go see someone, or put an end to an old cycle, um, start something new, taking this leap of faith, maybe having a little regrets when it comes to walking away from a person, place, or thing, but having this new, fresh idea, okay, maybe on how to have this new beginning, needing whoever you're dealing with, fire might be a distance a distance from you, sorry. Uh, might have to do some traveling to get to this individual or vice versa. But you feel regret over the loss of this individual, okay? Needing to trust the path that you choose, needing to do some calculations, okay, when it comes to planning firm foundations. Um, Maybe needing to weigh your pros and cons, okay? Clarify the Princess of Pentacles. You might need to do some saving. You might need to calculate your money. But it's some calculations when it comes to putting an end to or finishing projects and starting something new. I believe you going back and forth if you should move on from a certain situation, okay? Because the foundation was not substantial, okay? But needing to trust the path that you choose, needing to trust the path that you take. Clarify that awakening for fire in reverse. Not seeing a certain situation in a different perspective. I believe that you got rules and regulations that you expect to be followed, and you cut out anyone who is not going along with, or cut anyone out who is not conducive to how you feel and think when it comes to your journey. Balancing certain situations out, calling out for justice in regards of a certain situation, person, place, or thing. Take it as it resonates. It could be a job, family member, friend. Okay, but like I said, I did see here two couples are trying to get away from the drama and confusion and maybe working on things on their own, wanting this peace and victory, going within, meditating, trying to find the answers, okay? Some things has been revealed, okay? Some things have come out. Someone's going back and forth when it comes to arguments, fights, disagreements, okay? And I do believe in the midst of this disagreement, some things were revealed, okay? What was revealed? Can you tell me what was revealed for fire? Battling with oneself, battling with others. What was revealed? Something was revealed when it came to finances, or something was revealed when it came to this Queen of Pentacles. Maybe this Queen of Pentacles wasn't the Queen of Pentacles that fire thought. It could be male, female energy, but usually this is a female energy. Take it as it resonates. But it's like there was fighting and arguing back and forth when it came to this individual, or there was fighting and disagreements back and forth when it came to having this substantial abundance, is what I'm hearing. It was like a back and forth thing. I believe others were also involved in regards of maybe a relationship, okay? Needing to see the situation in a different perspective. I believe now that people are out of the picture, maybe you can start working on the dynamics of this relationship. Yeah, cutting out things that might have been interfering, calling out for justice in regards of having this peace and victory, because some things came out, battling with self, battling with others in regards maybe this Queen of Pentacles, or battling when it came to financial, some type of financial stability, okay? Clarify the chalices. Needing to answer the call and trust the path that you're on, because you're the pillar of light, fire. Opening up your heart, start trusting others. It's like fire scared to kind of open up. That's why they have this not trusting others or those around you. Okay, you look like you might have been in a situation when it came to this Queen of Wands, male or female energy. Take it as it resonates. Not opening up like you should, kind of closing yourself off. Clarify this Three of Pentacles in reverse. Clarify the Three of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, not wanting to put an end to something and start something new, okay? Needing to plant firm foundations, coming to some type of completion. Some things have been revealed, putting an end to old cycle in order to start something new. Clarify the Queen of Pentacles. Fire is this pillar of light. What you doing here?
Hey, well, I'm cleaning, but I left the yard room right now, and I want it.
You want some what?
So I brought some urine remover back here, and I wanted it for my carpet.
Oh,
So I brought it back here, but I didn't get the keys, and I can't get the good. So I gotta go now. I looked over here on ERU, but like, I'm leaving now.
okay.
Hi, people.
Okay. Um, your vibrations are rising. You are this oracle. You have this, you got this oracle energies, like you receive messages from source. Your vibrations are rising. Um, Needing to look at a certain situation in a different perspective, moving away from the drama and confusion to work on maybe work on a relationship or friendship, okay? Some things were revealed, some things came out. Receiving this wisdom. I don't know if someone is spying on you, fire, looking at you from a distance. Clarify the ego. There was a broken promise, okay? Um, New moon is usually the end of a phase, an end of a relationship, or someone's trying to put an end to some type of relationship. Might be some type of struggle here, but needing to ground themselves, going back and forth mentally. Like I said, I see emotions here. Wow, okay. Needing to plant firm foundations once again, but not trusting individuals. Can you clarify the grounding? Needing to ground, maybe need to get out in nature, hug a tree, go with the even flow. You're not doing this with ease. It's like you're resisting when it comes to the even flow. Not moving like the waves of the ocean, but kind of resisting, putting up a resistance. Wanting to, but you're resisting. What are you resisting, fire? What are you resisting, fire? What are you resisting? What it looks like, let's see. Nurturing, maybe nurturing yourself, nurturing relationships, nurturing friendships, because there's a lack of trust here, kind of off to yourself, staying secluded. What it is like you trying to avoid karma. It looks like to me that because of this energy that you're in this answering your calling and trusting the path that you're on because you're the pillar of light. But with the vibe that I get is that fire has been in situations that has caused fire to maybe have to stop, start again, stop, start again when it comes to ending and completing cycles, having to let things go, having a regret of having to let things go. Uh, Kind of like not opening up, closing oneself off, calculating, might be calculating finances, or might be calculating your moves when it comes to moving forward and starting something different, but not moving forward to start something new, completing what it is that you probably already started. I believe some things have been revealed, okay? I believe that you are awakening to certain aspects or certain things in your life, but not looking at it in a different perspective. But you do know that you need to move away from people, places, or things that causes drama. All right, it does not service your well-being. Cutting things out if they do not go by rules and regulations on what it is that fire wants, calling out for justice on individuals, pretty much wanting them or whoever to suffer out what it is that fire had to suffer, calling out for justice, might even be going to court in regards of something, receiving this clarity and this wisdom because fire is going within, having this peace, wanting this peace and this victory. Um, It almost looks like maybe fire is wanting to tell some truth on some things, but not really coming forward, or the person that fire is dealing with want to come forth and tell some things, but not really voicing, battling with oneself when it comes to speaking up in regards of being maybe financially stable. Maybe someone promised fire something when it comes to some type of stability, but um, that there was some broken promises here, needing to communicate, um, ground themselves. Somebody's watching fire, or fire's watching somebody, okay? Fighting, going against the current of the even flow, not really nurturing themselves, okay? Trying to avoid some type of karma. Clarify this karma card. DNA karma. This individual you might be dealing with, somebody might be a family member, somebody you've known from past life, in nostalgia in your head. Fire in regards of some things from the past. Clarify the Four of Cups. When it came to someone who put you in a three-party situation, all right, the relationship didn't prosper like it should. You felt this individual was the one, or they felt you was the one. Fire, take it as it resonates. Okay. Tired of going through the battles, didn't want to give it one more, didn't want to try it again, didn't want to give it no more chances, but probably pretty much move forward because it wasn't like it didn't bring this gratification, it didn't bring happiness. Okay, you didn't get what you wanted out of this situation. You lost the strength to continue. There was a lack of balance when it came to relationships or partnership. What's the conclusion for fire? It's 28 minutes. Feeling Ten of Swords, feeling bound, feeling stuck because things didn't work out. Clarify the Ten of Swords. When it came to your wish fulfillment. All right, fire. It just looks like to me that you need to open up. You are that pillar of light, you're that leader. It looks like you're letting things from the past maybe kind of hinder your growth a little bit. Losing your trust in individuals, losing your faith in individuals, not really wanting to deal or be bothered when it comes to people wanting to start some type of new beginning, taking this leap of faith, maybe even having to travel to go visit someone, but having a regret of loss, like you felt you lost this individual and not really opening up about it, but kind of closing yourself off. Trusting your path, okay, needing to trust your path, planning these foundations that's going to bring you some type of financial stability, weighing your pros and cons when it came to putting an end to something and starting something new, going back and forth mentally when it came to having some type of completion, okay, or putting an end to something. All right. Someone's thinking about walking away from that. I didn't even see that, walking away, but not wanting to, thinking about it, going back and forth, needing to nurture oneself, wanting peace and victory when it comes to some type of relationship. What it looks like that is someone, either fire or someone fire is dealing with, is getting rid of the drama out of their life, okay? But just needing to look at the situation in a different perspective, or just look at life in a different perspective, or look at things in a different perspective when it comes to friendships and relationships, okay? Going within meditation, doing that meditation, finding the answers, okay? But just needing to put a little bit more time and effort when it comes to nurturing yourself, okay, fire. All right, this being your reading. Thank you for chiming in. Love, like, subscribe, comment, and have a beautiful morning,